Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping inside a jaw-dropping architectural masterpiece high above the coast in Pacific Palisades. A home where luxury isn't just a word, it's built into every beam, every glass wall, and every outdoor vista. Think a rooftop deck with panoramic views, an infinity pool that seems to melt into the horizon, and yes, a pickleball court right in the backyard. Let's walk through this modern estate together and see what makes it truly exceptional. As you arrive, the first thing that hits you is the scale. Grand gates open onto a private motor court set against lush landscaping and mature trees, giving a sense of seclusion despite being so close to the city. The exterior architecture blends clean, modern lines with warm, natural materials, stone, wood, metal, and expansive glazing that hints at the indoor-outdoor living that defines this home. From here, you get your first taste of the view. The coastal curve of the Pacific Ocean ahead, the rooftops of the Palisades below. It's one of those locations where the setting becomes part of the house. And if that doesn't make you pause for a moment, just wait until we head upstairs. Stepping inside, the living room immediately draws your eye. Floor-to-ceiling glass frames the ocean view, the indoor ceiling height stretches overhead, and everything's designed for effortless flow. You'll notice how the kitchen is not tucked away, it sits right in the social zone, outfitted with high-end appliances, sleek cabinetry, and an island you'll want to host around. The dining area sits adjacent, with sliding glass doors opening out to the terrace. The material palette here is elevated yet understated. Natural stone floors, warm wood accents, neutral furnishings, so that the view remains the star. It's easy to imagine entertaining here on a summer evening, the light fading and the city lights beginning to wink in the distance. Moving into the private quarters, the master suite offers its own oasis. Huge windows, private terrace access, space for lounging and sleeping, and a bathroom that borders on a spa. Think freestanding tub, dual vanities, oversized shower, and the kind of finishes that make you want to stay in. The guest bedrooms follow the same elevated design language, each with its own character, generous space, and, as you'd expect from a home of this caliber, full bathrooms with premium finishes. What stands out is how none of these rooms feel secondary. Every space is intentional, every detail considered. But now let's talk about the showstoppers outdoors. The infinity pool seems to hover above the landscape, hugging the property edge so that water and view become one. Next to the pool is ample lounging space, shaded patios, and a fire pit spot that invites evening gatherings under the stars. Then there's the rooftop deck, accessed via a private stair or elevator, complete with an outdoor kitchen, covered seating, and 360-degree views of ocean, mountains, city, and sky. And as if all of that weren't enough, tucked into the side of the property is a full-size pickleball court, private and exclusive, perfect for sport, fun, and staying active without ever leaving home. It's rare to see the trio of rooftop deck plus pool plus pickleball court all at once in one estate. The location itself is a major appeal. Perched in the Palisades, you're tucked into one of Los Angeles's most coveted coastal neighborhoods. From the rooftop or terrace, you'll see sweeping views, the ocean stretching west, the city skyline sparkling as night falls, mountain ridgelines tracing into the distance. The setting adds immense value, not just in aesthetics, but in lifestyle. Morning light fills the east-facing rooms, sunset glows in the west, and the choice of site means you're close to beaches, to hiking in nearby canyons, yet you have this serene resort-style retreat all your own. Beyond the luxury finishes, this home is also built for modern life. Smart home integration handles lighting, climate, security, and media with ease. Energy-efficient systems, high-performance windows, and sustainable materials give this estate an edge beyond aesthetics. You'll notice custom millwork, hidden doors, built-in features that keep the spaces clean and functional. Lighting design makes all the difference after dark. The pool glows, the terrace glimmers, and the architecture itself becomes a showpiece. Every performance in this house is fine-tuned, and for the homeowner, that means fewer things to manage and more time to simply live. As our tour comes to a close, what stands out is more than the amenities. It's the feeling, a sense of calm, of elevated everyday living, where resort becomes your home environment. The rooftop deck, the pool, the pickleball court, they're not add-ons, they're integrated. They're part of how the house breathes, how it lives. In a place like this, the setting becomes an extension of your space. For anyone seeking the kind of home where architecture, landscape, and lifestyle merge, this is exactly what you picture. Thanks for joining me inside this Pacific Palisades mansion. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible homes, and let me know in the comments which space was your favorite. Until next time, keep living in style.